This is my honest review of the Black & Decker BDCJS20 Lithium Jigsaw. We bought this when we were doing our decorative wood frame trim around our 20-foot by 40-foot deck when we built our new home. This is definitely a workhorse jigsaw and totally cordless, which is awesome. Again, it is part of a family of 20-volt tools. The battery just pops off like that, which is awesome. So if you buy all of the same family Black & Decker 20-volt tools, you'll have several batteries that you can always have charging, so that when one battery dies, you have another one to just pop on, which is super, super handy. This is very powerful. I actually cut through, I would say, multiple, probably 20 to 30 2x4s at a time if I needed to when I was doing my deck. Corner trims and things like that, not a problem at all. It's very, very powerful. Just as powerful as any one that you plug into the wall. I would say the battery lasts a very good long time. Not as long as, say, it lasts in a drill or an impact wrench, because it is constantly sawing and going against resistance. But it is a very good long-lasting. I would recommend buying the spare battery for sure. Because it does wear out faster than, say, the impact wrench or the drill. But if you buy the whole set of tools, you're going to have extra batteries. I highly recommend the Black & Decker BDCJS20 if you're looking for cordless tools.